Hi, this is Griffin with Wason Furniture. Today we're going to be building the Better Homes and Gardens A-Cube Organizer. This is our tobacco oak finish and it can be found on walmart.com. Before you start, you want to check that none of your panels have any damage and they have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can refer to the number on the front of the manual and we'll take care of any of those problems that you have. If everything is in order, you can begin assembly. For step 1, you need 18 plastic dowels, your 4 D panels, and 2 C panels. Start by inserting 4 plastic dowels into one of the D panels. Then insert only 2 plastic dowels into the remaining D panels. Next, insert 4 plastic dowels into each of the C panels. For step 2, you need 4 cam locks and your E panel. Insert the cam locks into the E panel so that the little arrow points outwards towards the pre-drilled hole on the side. For step 3, you need 4 cam bolts in your 2 B panels. Screw in 2 cam bolts into each of the B panels in these middle 2 pre-drilled holes. For step 4, you're going to need a D panel with 2 plastic dowels, a C panel, a D panel with 4 plastic dowels, your E panel, your D panel with 2 plastic dowels, another C panel, and then another D panel. Start by attaching this D panel to the C panel. And then this C panel to the other side. And then the E panel. Then this other D panel. And then a C panel. And then your D panel. For step 5, you're going to need your 2 B panels. Attach them to the structure and secure them using the cam locks on this middle panel. To tighten a cam lock, simply turn clockwise. For step 6, you're going to need your 2 A panels, 8 screw bolts, 8 caps, your safety strap, this small screw, and a washer. Start by attaching the A panel to either side. And then secure it with 4 screw bolts. This process on the other side. After you have attached both your A panels, find which side these cam locks are on, and on the opposite side, so this side, attach the safety strap. This will be the top of the unit. So take this small screw and the washer, insert it through the safety strap, and then Screw the safety strap onto the unit.